Good morning. It's a little bit overcast, a little bit gloomy, hoping to clear out today. But look at the mountain, it's crisp. And there we are, eating breakfast. Alright, we see you when we're ready. For the safety of your ears and your head, I have greatly reduced the volume of this water by at least 80%. So this is still quite loud. Imagine how loud it was being in there. It was crazy. It's all the way up. What would you rate the caves?
8.
I also was thinking an 8. I'm thinking an 8 out of 10. Lots more cavey than it was yesterday, but still equally as good. Lots of knowledge.
Best cave you've been in.
Best
It's better than Wookie Hole, and it was better than the Philippines.
It's different to the Philippines. I love the cathedral part of the Philippines, but yes, it was different walking around it. And now we are in
Iseltwald.
Iseltwald, which is a small little
village, town.
Small little village on the
lake.
edge of the lake. A different lake to the lake that we were at previously, but they look identical, just opposing sides of the mountain. And we're going to eat lunch here. So we shall see you there. I also forgot to say that it's sunny now. We are stripped down and the sun is back. Yeah. This is a small village. It's really cute so far. Oh, little flower garden. Pretty. We are here. Name the film that uses this pier. Honestly, it just looks like Lake Como. Just less congested.
Interlaken is back there. And the other lake is on the other side of Interlaken.
A more chilled version of Lake Como. Oh, hello. Hello, friend. You chilling? Enjoying the sun? Let's go find ourselves a picnic spot.
Private.
The view. You see? So similar to Lake Como. Just water. And there it is. We walked around so we can see him. The big, beautiful house. Little casual waterfall in the distance. now in Gelmerbahn. So we had a quick change of plans. We left that cute little village where we had lunch, and we were looking for tickets because we wanted to come to Gelmerbahn tomorrow, and the only availability they had was for today or tomorrow same time, so we would have been in the same position. So we thought, let's go now. The sky looked pretty clear, although it does look pretty overcasty now, and let's just try our luck, you know. There weren't any tickets to go down, so we're going up and having to hike down, but the man said we look young and fit and we can do it, so that's what we're going to do. It should take us about an hour and a half to get down. I think it's a 5k hike down, which I think is fine. Nick and I are pretty fit people apparently, so we'll see. Let's just hope the weather up there is quite nice and we have a great experience. Apparently this funicular is what the experience is, as well as the view on top. Yeah, so we'll see how it goes. I don't know if I filmed that little village before. It was very cute, very quaint, nice little spot for lunch, very quiet. It was sunny by the lake. It reminded me a lot of Lake Como. Yeah, very, very, very cute. And now we're here, and I will show you our drive here, because we saw more waterfalls in this drive than what we saw in that 72 waterfall valley, where we only saw like 4, maximum 4. We saw tons driving down here. And when you come here, there's also a nice bridge, which I'll show you some clips of us walking on the bridge. Very cool, nice photo spot. But what's even better from there is the view down. There's 2 waterfalls that intersect. Okay, I will now see you on the funicular and then at the top. Toodaloo. This is what it looks like, and it takes you up that way, completely different to any other experience we've been on, except do we go backwards? We go backwards, and we are on the way. Just so you know, I've been on quite a few gondolas, other funiculars, and I've never been on one this slow. It was extremely slow. It took quite a long time. I'm going to say 15 minutes to get to the top, but the views were spectacular, and it was quite cool the way it got steeper and steeper. At one point you literally are looking down, and then you're above. It's weird, but very cool. Lovely experience. Would highly recommend it to everyone, just for the views and to get to the top lake, which is breathtaking. So wait for that. Wow! It's so beautiful and blue. It almost looks fake. Absolutely crazy. I've never, ever, ever. It's so blue. How is it this blue? It's crazy. But she must be cold because it's glacial water. Our walk has begun with the Great Wall of China ahead of us, and the lake will be on our left. If you are planning on coming anytime soon, they're doing a lot of work in the area. There's the dam again, there's a bigger dam down there, and there's the Great Wall of China ahead of us. Which rated at the end. Still can't get over how blue this water is. You can't really see on my phone because it's a bit shaded, but that area down there is like how it is everywhere. It's turquoise. How pretty! What a view. said it's not that bad. We just have to get down to that road. So everybody just relax, okay? We'll see how it is at the end.
It's a long road.
We may bite our tails off. But we're young, fit people. We can do this every day, he said. And we're wearing the right attire. So let's see how it goes. Oh. Nearly down. Yes. He's waiting for me. I just find this walk so difficult because I have to concentrate for so long. And my ADHD mind can't handle it. But Nick's a star. He just runs through it like it's nothing. Just another day, you know. Born for this, scout boy.
It's already knocked down.
Look, I've just pulled it out a second ago. Relax, Max. Yes, this looks like Dartmoor. And we're almost down. We've just seen some crazy human with a bike trying to get up here. We can't understand his logic because you can't go down the funicular with a bike. But good for him. We've almost survived. It's been okay. Reminds me a lot of the one that we did for Azores. Going up here must be horrible. I want to be moaning the entire time. Not gonna lie. We even stopped for a nice little wee on the side. Lovely. And yeah, we're nearly at the road. The guy on the bike said 15 minutes to the road. So after the road, we're just going to walk the windy road back to our car. Let's hope we don't get killed. Yes, Dora, the explorer, is still charging along. He said he's setting pace. His pace, not my pace. We're almost there. It's so beautiful. Step 1 complete. Now for the step 2, it's going to be worse. The road option wasn't very safe, so we are doing the wilderness route. And look what we came across. I'm coming. Ooh. Oh, we are high up. And now we're back in centre box. Stunning. Still gotta walk up though. We are quite high up. That's the mountain we hiked, ladies and gentlemen. We can now hike the mountain. That's the road we would have walked. We are really high up. We chose the better path. Got some pretty views along the way. And we are not too far off now. About 10ish more minutes. We just are very high. I can see the van. Hello. Hello. For reference, this is where we are, level. That piece up there is where we came down from. And then, if I zoom out even more, there's the van. Crow.
Fuck
We're
off.
back.
Why do you need to be on me?
It's coming to me as well. We're back and we survived. What would you rate the adventure? That much. I would give it an 8 out of 10. I think that it was an experience going on that cart, but it was a bit underwhelming. It needed a bit more oomph to it, but the lake was so beautiful and so blue, and the walk down wasn't bad. It was just long. It was really long, but the scenery was great on the walk down. Like, it's not like there was a point where it was shitty. It was nice the entire way, and we missed the rain. Just missed the rain. Plus, it was to our luck as well, because it would have been 40 CHT, is that what it is?
40 Swiss francs.
40 Swiss francs to go up and down on the, it's not a gondola, what is it called?
It's like a funicular type thing.
On the funicular, on the cart, it would have been 40 Swiss francs. But because we could only get a booking for one way up, the next booking would have taken us till 5:30 to come back down. And we would have just been bored waiting up there by the lake. So we thought the man encouraged us to walk down. So we did a one way, so it cost us that together. So we saved half our money and we got a beautiful walk. And it wasn't difficult, it was just long. Plus, when I show you the video of where we've come from, where the wall was and where we've walked to, it's absolutely crazy, the distance we covered. I'm very proud of us. Nick and I promised after we did Mount Batur in Bali, I would never ever do a mountain again because I hated it that much.
We didn't climb it. It's completely different going down.
It is. But we still covered a lot.
Yes, but I wouldn't want to go up it.
I would never go up it. I would sock the entire way. And if you are doing the hike to go up and down, don't bother parking in the main car park. Park on the other end. Otherwise, it's just the trip back around where you could have gone along the road and we went around the park. That was just unnecessary. That was an extra 20 minutes for no reason. But we did pass a nice little water feature. And we got views. Great views. And now we are going to find a place to stay for the night. Don't know yet. It is raining right now. We missed the rain. We actually really lucked out today. It was supposed to be raining for majority of today and then sunny tomorrow, but it poured down all night. I've never experienced a pour down as heavy as it did all night long. It was constant. And then we knew it would rain in the morning at about 9ish, 10. And then from then it's been quite sunny until now. And it did say it was going to rain at 5, and it's 5 and it's raining, and it's more of a drizzle. It's not a rain. It's like, yeah, you could walk through it. It wouldn't be painful. It's not a proper pour down like it did in the middle of the night. So we were very, very, very lucky. And I think it's not going to carry on raining. It will be like an hour, it said, of rain.
Hopefully.
And then back to sunshine. So yeah, we shall see you when we find a home for the evening. Bye. As you know already, I'm quite the big fan of Switzerland, but this was one of my favorite days. Views after views, Switzerland has so much to give. To think we're only halfway in our trip. Imagine what's to come. See you next time. Toodaloo!